guys, let's do an unboxing. I have been obsessed with Caraway lately. I did actually order this one and I did really liked it. So I decided that I'm going to order the set. I actually have another one, which is this one. They are so nice. I use them a lot and I'm trying to get rid of my old stuff. So I decided to order the set. So we're going to unbox them. You guys, this is so heavy. This has been sitting in my kitchen for at least 2 weeks now. So I am excited. Oh my god. You guys, I love how they pack it nicely. So in the back, I guess we can just open it in the back. Oh. Okay, this one's empty. We got a purse lid. I love how it has a really soft to protect the lid. Then we got this. Oh, they're actually big. Wow. I really thought it was really small. This is actually a really good size. You guys. It's so nice. Okay, we have that one done. Oh my god, I can definitely get rid of my other pack. Okay, we have that one. And then what is this one? Something cute. This was the new one. Which is super tiny. You guys, look at that. Okay, we have nothing that. And then, I think this is the last one. Ooh. Ito two on it. It's so hard when you just cut your nails and you can't grab anything. You can't get a good grip. You guys. Okay, we got that one. And then now, wow. We got a good size as well. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You really know when you're old because kitchen stuff makes you happy. It's a pretty good size. But this one doesn't come with lid. So, I want this. No, I think there is one. No, there's not. And it also comes with the organizer. Oh my god. I actually need to order the lid organizer because I need lid organizer. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So these style it like that. I'm making a lot of noise. And let me just put my son to bed. Guys, look at that. That is pretty. Let me show you the whole collection. I'm actually gonna unbox another one, but it's for another video. Oh. I'm so excited. So we got that. Pretty good size. And then for this one and that one, oh my god, I'm actually obsessed with the organizer because it's pretty sturdy. You guys, this mama is happy. So I'm gonna show you what I got so far, because I'm trying to get the whole set of the Caraway, but they're kind of expensive, so I'm trying to slowly building up my collection.